So we're trying to get this race together. Evo versus the Turbo S2000 from a roll. Should be a pretty good one. We got a nice little amount of money on this. So we're discussing terms, 2 out of 3. I came on street tires. I'm on pump gas. He couldn't turn his up, his ECU broke. So it is what it is. So I left the Hoosiers at home. We want to make it fair. And I'm on pump gas. So the Evo is not all the way spiced up right now. And neither is S2000, but we were still game to race. So here we are. So we're gonna give it a shot. Oziel's back there talking with Damien. He's getting a few more shots too. But hopefully this next couple clips here you'll see will be us giving this a try. We're gonna give it a roll, we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna see what the Evo does on street tires because boy. But hey, is what it is. So much awaited first race with Debo since I've had it back going, you know, this week. So should be a pretty good run. Oziel was pretty much the only one game to run ready. So here we are. Here we go. Coming at you soon.
Get over here!
All right, we back. So as we look back through the film and all our races, so we did 4 pulls. The first 2, we really couldn't get it together. Really the last 2, we couldn't really get it together. But the first 2, Oziel took it. The second 2, I took it. But we did 2 60s and 2 70s. The problem with the 60s was what I was in top of second gear. He's, what are you, in third? So he's in third. By the time I hit it, the second race, because the first one we couldn't even say that really counted. He left. He was like a car ahead of me. he took the hit. So he was a car ahead of me. Flagged it, and I was like, oh shit, I gotta go. So I chased him, but we just left that one at that. So he said pull back up. We pulled back up and we did it again from the 60, and then I almost hit him. So we realized that 60 in the Evo on street tires ain't worth it. So we stopped. His dipstick blew out. So he looked on his windshield. He had oil on the windshield. So we put his dipstick back in. We sat down, shot the shit, you know what car guys do. And we was like, well, let's try it from a 70. Because the last race we done was about 65-ish, and I left it in third and left it lazy. And we had a nasty pull. Hopefully the GoPros got it, but we'll see. Yeah, he got one too. So yeah, we'll compare both of them. We'll see. But the last race we just done on the way over here, that was probably the best one. Because what did you say? We got to what, 156, 150-ish?
It was close though.
Yeah, it was close. So yeah,
Playing between shit. I'll get up, you get up.
I think I was maybe a half a car at the end. You know, it wasn't like we just ran away from each other. The cars are moving. Both cars stupid fast. S2000 working, the Evo working. But we're at the gas station now because the Evo does what it does best. It broke some shit. It was coming. Y'all knew it was coming. I drive an Evo.
So on that part, I won.
He did.
It's still together.
His shit is still together. Now, we think we pushed the front main seal out on the Evo. So we leaking oil over here. I'll put that shit back together tomorrow, but it is what it is. We did get out here.
So
We
side
done.
betting, they gotta wait.
Yeah, side bets gotta wait. We can't call
really
we can't call it because the first 2 races we couldn't really line it up, and the third race we really couldn't line it up, and the 4th race was pretty decent. You know, that was a good run. We ran it out that time, so we found out what worked, I guess, a little bit.
For one car
for one car versus the other. We found out what worked, but hey, it was a good time. Oziel always down to play with his cars. He also got an nasty Integra too, just in case any of y'all want to try that on the track. He ready. So, hey, we out here.
Oh, it's coming.
It's coming. Hey, soon. Hey, he got that thing a little nasty. So we're gonna need some more sauce. Oh, but it's been real, guys, and we out. It was a good night of racing. We in them streets.